Bros and hams, bros, bro hams, and of course, ladies, welcome back to an episode of Minecraft Bedwars. And as you guys know, I have not been posting on this channel. My channel actually got hacked, but I'm back and ready to play some Bedwars. Probably doing this wrong because I'm like going. Oh, I swear I haven't played Bedwars in so long. There's no chance somebody recognizes me. There's just absolutely no way. No way. No way. Alright, well, now I'm gonna get targeted or something, not really quite sure. Oh shoot, I did my bed defense wrong. Okay, wait, hold on. I see how bad, see how like long it's been since I played this game. I don't even really know how to play this game anymore. Oh my gosh, I got jump scared, I swear. Oh, I got him. Oh my gosh. I literally got scared because someone like came after me. But yep, that's cool. Oh, where's my internet, guys? As you guys know, my internet is just the worst, really. Alright, so blue's not coming for me. That's the main thing you have to worry about in this map. I have an iron sword. Maybe I can win this. Oh, he's not even playing anymore. We're good. So, I have not been posting for a while. I haven't posted in, like, since summer. And yeah, oh, whoa, sir, bro. Wait, go get him. I'm not dealing with this hooligan, man. Oh, I guess I have to deal with this hooligan. Oh my gosh. If only I had played this game recently, I probably could have beat him. Whatever, I'm gonna talk about it, and if I die, I die. Basically, I clicked on a sketchy link and it said someone else was uploading to my YouTube channel. That wasn't me. Okay, bro, come on. Oh, I got him. I'm too good. Yeah, so I guess I was trying to find out how to like download. Okay, let me go back a little bit. So a few weeks ago, actually, like before Christmas kind of, I got a new laptop, and so I got rid of my big desktop computer and I switched it for a gaming laptop that's actually like twice as good as my PC. So gave my PC to my brother, and now I'm running with the laptop and it's pretty great. This guy gonna come down? Okay, man. Okay, we got him. We got him, guys. Is he gonna die? Do you have a pearl? I don't know. He said bruh, so RIP. But yeah, I got a new laptop, and so I've been recording on that. Well, I haven't been recording, but I've been meaning to record on it, and now I'm actually recording. So I had to do a bunch of stuff to get like all the things I had from my old computer to my new computer. So I had to transfer all my files, re-download Photoshop, and yeah. So, and then I had to re-download Sony Vegas, and then I was trying to figure out how to get like the texture packs I used to have, because I used to have like not texture packs, the transition packs. I used to have that. Man, got rid of my bed defense in like 0.2 seconds. He has like efficiency 4 shears, but we're just gonna run away. So yeah, I am so bad. Yeah, so I guess on me trying to like find out how to download the transition packs, I clicked a sketchy link and it ended up just like giving my channel a virus. This guy is breezily bridging, but he kind of sucks at it, so he fell. Now I'm just gonna go and get his bed, I guess. Probably had no bed defense. He was like, yeah, I'm gonna put all my faith in my breezily bridging, and just kind of got your bed. What are you gonna do, man? You're out of here, man. He's gone. Normally, the people who breezily bridge are like, I don't need a bed defense. That'd be silly. I can breezily bridge, which gives me such a high advantage. And then it doesn't do anything. They just die. But now I have transition packs, so you probably already saw them. There was like a good transition. It wasn't just like a one frame to the next. You know, it had like a smoother transition. But yeah, so I have that now. And my channel is not hacked. Basically, all I had to do was go into my settings, and it said like Mr. Zhang Pao had my authority to like upload videos, and I said, no you don't, and took them off. It was a whole like 3 clicks, but now I'm back, and now I'm like, yo, maybe I should like, like this other guy has uploaded more content than I have in the past couple months. Maybe I should change that. So ran a stream up couple days ago, about a week ago, and now I'm just gonna be playing Bedwars, cause like that's what I do best. And yeah, I'm a little bit rusty as you saw in last game, but it's okay. I'm back. I'm ready to go crazy. Oh, this guy's gonna die. And bonk. That guy had spawn prot, and the other guy still almost killed him on 1 hit. Blue must just be insane, so I gotta watch out for that guy. I believe that I can win this game now. I mean, I don't think red's gonna kill me. I think the only way for me to die in this game is really for like me to like do it myself and like just fall off. So I think I'm fine. Let me just get these emeralds, and then I'll probably just like track him down, make sure he doesn't just invis potion on me, and we should be fine. I mean, if blue could kill that guy, I could kill that guy probably. I mean, it's kind of a big assumption, but I think it's okay. No, let me up, let me up. Ah, let's go. I flawlessed him too. GG's, you guys know how it is on this channel. Alright, we're on Skyrise. You already know. I take only W's on Skyrise. No, I thought I took only W's on the other map, but not actually. No, what map was that? Pernicious. Yeah, I don't take W's on Pernicious. I don't even know why I have that favored. Am I stupid? I shouldn't even have that favored. I literally hate that map. But yeah, so I guess yellow's not in the game, but since they're non-existent. But yep, gonna go get some stuff. We're going over to green though. Oh, he just died, which means I can probably get a final. Oh, I missed the bed. Oh, I got it now. We're good. No way this guy kills me. We're good, man. Yo, Ogla, can you hold on a bit? I'm sorry. I got no patience. I got a video to record, man. He's gonna fireball me, isn't he? I missed it. Your dad's calling. Sorry, bud, but this is Bedwars. Nobody cares. Is he gonna try to kill me now? Bro, nah, man, bro. This would be so karma if I died right here. Oh, I didn't die, though. We're chilling. Red is right here, man. What are you doing, Red? Red's down there, man. Bye, Red. Alright, we're good. We're good. We're good, maybe. We're good, maybe. We're good, maybe. That's kind of where I'm standing. Yeah. We're good. Maybe. Uh-oh, he probably did something too. He definitely did something. What? What the heck? I'm bad. I forgot he could, like, totally get, like, an invis potion, like, a compass, too. I don't know why so many maps are fast iron now. It just doesn't work out. This guy's looking like he has a fireball in his hand ready to just come at me, man. I thought I saw him talking earlier. This guy who wanted to just die. I'm gonna see if he wants to just still die, man. Yeah, he's out here. And we're off to the next guy. Let's go get this guy. I'm not even caring anymore. I'm not even gonna go to mid. We're just gonna go circle around and get guys. Or ladies. Could be a woman too. No, please, let's go. I'm too good at this game, guys. You're done. Oh man, come after me, man. Come after me, man. Why are you doing? What are you putting in there? Let's go. Let's go this way. I'm not even paying attention to the whole scoreboard. I'm just kind of going. I probably should pay attention though to something. Oh, whoa! Thanks, ping. Yep, these are all ghost blocks maybe. I don't actually know. Guys, I swear I'm not hacking. What is going on here? I swear I am not hacking. I am not hacking. Yeah, I'm not hacking. Can I get this, please? Can I get... Oh, no. No. Uh-oh. 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 I think that guy might be hacking. Because that was a little sus there. That was a little bit something. This guy's doing more knockback than I am, bro. What? What? There you go. Oh my gosh. You guys all saw that man was doing way more knockback than me, and I had a knockback stick. Let's go. That was a play of a lifetime. Okay. Okay, okay. Put that in there. Eat this gap. You wanna fight me, man? Yeah, man. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. You're done. What? That did nothing, man. That did nothing. Why? I now have enough for a bow. Oh, yeah. How does that feel? Bro. Oh, no way, bro. Well, you want to go, bro? Huh? Wow. That was just so easy. I hit him like... he had a bow for the whole game. I had a bow for like 3 seconds. Alright, well, that's going to wrap up this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And, yeah, I'm glad to be back. And I hope I will have more videos to upload. And I will be uploading more and more, you know, because that's what I'm trying to do. Alright, guys. Catch you on the flip side.